and gentlemen. The aircraft doors have been closed, so at this time, all electronic equipment needs to be turned off and left on until 10 minutes into our flight. If you came on board with a mobile phone, please check that out and make sure it's turned off and left off until you are in the terminal. My name is Helen. I'll be the purser on your flight today, and on behalf of the entire crew, we would like to welcome you aboard. Flight attendants, armed doors for departure. In just a moment, we will be showing you a very important safety video. We ask for a few minutes of your undivided attention for this important message. Thank you, and again, welcome aboard.
Plano de pushback recebido, comandante. Me avise pelo menu quando estiver pronto. Comandante. comandante, o rebocador já está a caminho. Ok, todas as portas e janelas estão fechadas e travadas. Pronto para conectar o rebocador. Rebocador conectado e pino de derivação inserido. Pode soltar o freio de estacionamento, comandante. Iniciando o pushback, e se o senhor quiser já pode acionar os motores.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you aboard today's flight. It is important that you are familiar with the safety features of this aircraft. Even if you fly with us frequently, we would appreciate your attention for just a few minutes. Having your seatbelt done up low and tight is essential for takeoff, turbulence and landing. To do it up, put the clasp in the buckle and tighten as shown. Undo it by lifting the buckle low. You should keep your seatbelt done up whenever you are seated, just in case we come across any unexpected turbulence. In your seat pocket, you will find a safety briefing card that shows the brace position and other important information on what you should do in the unlikely event of an emergency. Please take a moment to read it.
Operação completa. Acione o freio de estacionamento, por favor. Desconectando o rebocador. Espere.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do thank you very much for your attention. And now we invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy the takeoff. The captain has made tower communications available. So if you would like to monitor the air traffic system...
Rebocador desconectado e pino removido. Vou sinalizar à sua direita. Vejo você em breve. Tenha um bom voo.
More information about our service plan for our flight as soon as we are in the air. Thank you and again welcome aboard.
Approaching 10. On runway 28. Caution, short runway, short runway. One thousand. Remaining.
Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain.